Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You want the fastest safe start. Enable airplane mode so radios stop draining power and remove any heat trap in case. Next, plug a high wattage compatible charger into a wall outlet. Use the original or a certified 18 to 65W USB power delivery unit. Once done, connect the cable directly to your phone and confirm fast charge notification. This reduces energy loss and heat. Heat is the enemy of speed, so get power into the battery quickly and efficiently. You now optimize the charging window. Force close heavy apps and pause automatic updates so the CPU stays idle. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are off unless needed, and turn the screen completely off or lower brightness to near zero because display power slows charging. Use a USB-C power delivery or PPS charger and cable to let the phone accept higher current safely. Avoid wireless pads and low-power USB ports on laptops because they charge much slower. You finish smartly. Batteries charge fastest up to about 80%, then the phone throttles current to protect chemistry, so plan short top-ups when you need speed. Once you hit 80–90%, unplug for daily use. If you must reach 100%, expect a slower final phase. If charging doesn't start, check the cable and adapter first, wiggle the connection, and inspect the port for lint. Try a different certified charger. If problems persist, reboot the phone to clear software glitches before seeking repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.